Make money in the Forex lifestyle. A Forex lifestyle is an idea which has been put forward in the recent past. Its basic principle is the concept that one can have a successful Forex career by investing the money of the people who are in this career with him or her in the Forex market. However, this Forex lifestyle is not a new concept, it has been around for a long time and people do invest their money in this industry. However, with the growth in the number of the population, this business has also grown. There are different aspects of a Forex life. The one that you should focus on is the one which involves trading. If you are a trader, then this will mean that you have to be dedicated and passionate about this work because there are many chances for you to lose money. If you are not in the trading profession but you want to become one, you should know that there are many things that can hinder your Forex career. You may have to take up different courses before you are able to open your own trading company. The good news is that there are many people who are able to do this kind of work online. This way, they have a chance of working from home and earning more money. There are many people who are interested in making money in the Forex industry. They have to take up some training. For this reason, the demand for the professionals is always high, and if you are interested in learning more about it, you can easily find all the information that you need online. This way, you will be able to get information about the things that are required, and you will also get information about the various online trading platforms. As a new Forex trader, you will need to make sure that you are in a proper financial position before you start trading. This means that you have to make sure that you are able to invest some amount of money as capital into the business. This money will have to be invested into the trading accounts, but it must also be kept safe as there are chances that you might lose some of it when the business starts to work and you start losing money. Since Forex trading can be very risky, you must have the proper tools and software before you start trading. These tools and software will help you do your work so you are able to trade properly. If you want to know more about the Forex lifestyle, you can always go online and look for the information that you need. You will find that the online resources will give you plenty of information and knowledge about how this industry works. With the right tools and software, you can make use of the internet to make your career in the Forex market much easier. As you start investing money and taking part in the Forex trade, you will be surprised to see that there are quite a number of benefits that you will get if you become part of this industry. You can try your luck with the online course of a Forex broker. As long as you have the right tools and software, you will be able to earn a lot of money if you take up such courses. The more money that you have, the more opportunities you have to earn more money, and the better your financial status will become. One of the best ways of earning money from this Forex business is by signing up to participate in online trading. This way, you will get a chance to make money even if you do not have much experience in the field of trading. The Forex trading industry can be very exciting, but it is also very dangerous, so you need to have a proper knowledge of the risks involved and the ways by which you can minimize the risks. With the right tools, you will be able to earn lots of money in this business. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about Forex and trading.